I think I've got a beautiful opportunity being here for the Reality World Summit, because I feel under one roof you have all the stalwarts of the industry sharing their views, which is phenomenal. Because being very young in this real estate sector, just 5 months old, but I would say I'm quite old in the service industry, and this comes under the service industry. But to really hear from people who have actually been in this industry and build it up and seen from a scratch, and I would say they've seen this market really maturing, is quite insightful. So I'm very fortunate to be here. I wouldn't say it's tough at all, because we are getting into that professional mode, and of course your target audience is different. It's not just the end user; it's also the brokers and the property dealers, small ones. But then I think this sector is maturing, as I mentioned earlier. So a lot of benefits are stepping in. So it's not tough at all, because one, you stand out, of course. And second, this is definitely, there's a positive growth in this industry. So you grow with it. When there's a growth overall, you do grow with it. So I think it's beneficial. I would say it's not totally educated, but there's always a lacuna in every industry, I would say. But it's getting a little more systemized today, with more skilled formats coming in, with more institutes offering colleges. Colleges are offering some courses which are typically for a real estate industry, so that the youngsters also get a I would say knowledge about it, because otherwise there was nothing. The colleges were not offering any structured courses on this particular industry. So I think it's moving towards a positive note, but the only point is that it should just speed up, because we've already lost a lot of time. Now there's no time, so now we should just speed up and get all our efforts together and make it grow very quickly. This is a very, very dynamic industry, that's number one. Number two, it is a very, very critical industry, because it contributes to the overall economic growth in a big manner, because it has a contribution about 5 to 6% per annum every year to GDP. So I think it's a very, very important sector which should not get neglected, which is getting maturer day by day, as I mentioned. So I think it has a lot of scope in the future, when you see more skilled laborers and skilled manpower and the professionals getting into this segment.